Don Bradman Cricket 17 is the only AAA cricket game on PC and consoles. The market for cricket games isn't huge because the game is popular only in a few countries and America isn't one of them. Countries such as India, where cricket is a way of life, don't have many people with gaming PCs or consoles. This is why Don Bradman Cricket 17 has the market to itself, and that can be a boon as well as a curse. If the game is good, developer big hand studios and players win big. If it isn't up to the mark, it'll join a long list of mediocre cricket games and is likely to discourage many from buying these in the future. So does Don Bradman Cricket 17 live up to expectations? Yes and no. Let's start with the good things. Bowling is one of the hardest skills of modern cricket, and Don Bradman Cricket 17 reflects that. It gives you a wide array of deliveries to choose from and lets you alter details such as the pitch, swing, flight and speed of the ball. We found this incredibly hard to master. For every excellent delivery that got us a wicket, we bowled at least 2 balls so wide that they reached the boundary. Fast bowlers are harder to control than spinners, so if you're just starting out, try spin bowling to keep the run rate under control.
Playing all around that, what a delivery.
Batting is another of the game's highlights. There are a lot of shots to choose from and it takes a lot of time in the training mode to get the hang of these. Things won't end well if you don't get footwork, shot selection or timing right. While that sounds like an obvious thing, the implementation was quite impressive. The difficulty level is another big plus. There's enough of a challenge for beginners even in easy mode, while advanced players will enjoy slugging it out on hard mode. On to the negatives. Fielding. Don Bradman Cricket 17 has some of the worst fielders you will ever see. Most people would prefer to let the game control fielders itself, and that leads to a comedy of errors. Fielders will randomly drop catches and sometimes even gift runs by carrying the ball over the boundary. Surprisingly enough, they don't say Merry Christmas or Happy Diwali while doing that. Fielders also don't attack the ball enough. Sometimes they'll wait for the ball to go past them before running behind it, and at other times they will miss catching opportunities by refusing to move towards the ball. Thankfully, your fielders will pull off stunning catches at times, but they don't do it consistently enough. Since Big Hand Studios doesn't have licenses for players, they all have fake names such as Sulaiman Datta instead of Shikhar Dhawan. This can be fixed easily by downloading community-created players. The game's graphics leave a lot to be desired. Player faces are generic, grounds look average, and at times we were wondering if the game was made for a PS4 or a Windows 98 PC. It definitely doesn't look like a game that costs 4,000 rupees. If you're going to be playing Don Bradman Cricket 17, you'll do so because it's a genuinely challenging cricket game. There are plenty of game modes to keep you engaged. You can start a player's career and defend like your life depends on it in a test match, or start a 5-over game and try to smash every ball out of the park. There's enough variety here to keep you hooked for quite some time. If the graphics and fielding were better, we'd find ourselves recommending this game. As things stand, we can't recommend it unless you're a cricket fan who absolutely must play a cricket game on PC or consoles. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at Gadgets360.